Ensuring that your application is always available and can handle fluctuations in traffic is critical for any web-based business. In this video, we're going to explore two essential AWS services, Elastic Load Balancing, ELB, and auto scaling, that help you achieve high availability, fault tolerance, and cost optimization. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about load balancing. When you have a web application, the traffic coming in can vary throughout the day. Sometimes it's light, sometimes it's heavy. Load balancing helps distribute this traffic across multiple servers, also called instances. This prevents any one server from getting overwhelmed, ensuring that your users experience smooth performance even under heavy load. Think of load balancing like managing the lines at a busy store. Instead of everyone crowding into one line, they get distributed evenly across several lines, so everyone gets served faster and more efficiently. With AWS Elastic Load Balancing, ELB, the traffic to your application is automatically distributed across multiple EC2 instances. ELB even monitors the health of these instances, making sure traffic is only routed to the healthy ones and avoiding those that are down or underperforming. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you run a popular e-commerce website, and during the holiday season, traffic to your site can spike significantly. ELB helps you manage this by automatically routing traffic to your EC2 instances and evenly distributing it. If one instance becomes unhealthy, ELB stops sending requests to it and directs traffic to the healthy ones, so your customers always have a seamless experience. This means that whether 100 or 100,000 users are on your site, Elastic Load Balancing ensures they all get routed efficiently to an available server. Now, how do you handle sudden spikes in traffic or when traffic drops to very low levels? This is where auto-scaling comes in. Auto-scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances you have running based on real-time traffic patterns. For example, during high traffic periods, auto-scaling will launch additional EC2 instances to meet demand, keeping your application responsive. And when traffic dies down, like in the middle of the night, auto-scaling will reduce the number of instances, helping you save on costs by only running the resources you need. Auto-scaling works in tandem with elastic load balancing. As your traffic increases, auto-scaling launches new instances, and ELB automatically starts routing traffic to these new instances. Conversely, when traffic decreases, auto-scaling terminates unnecessary instances, and ELB adjusts the routing accordingly. Together, these two services ensure that your application is not only available but also cost-efficient. You'll always have enough resources to meet demand, but you'll never pay for more resources than you actually need. So how do you make auto-scaling work effectively? It's all about defining the right scaling policies and thresholds. You can set scaling policies based on metrics like CPU utilization, memory usage, or even custom application level metrics. For example, you might set a policy that launches new instances when CPU usage exceeds 75% and terminates instances when it drops below 30%. You can also configure scaling policies for scheduled events, like pre-scaling for known high traffic periods, ensuring your application is always ready for peak demand. It's important to find the right balance. Set thresholds too low, and you could overscale and waste money. Set them too high, and your users might experience slow performance during traffic spikes. Elastic load balancing and auto-scaling are powerful tools that can help you build a more resilient, scalable, and cost-effective infrastructure for your applications. By distributing traffic across healthy instances and dynamically adjusting resources based on demand, you can ensure that your application delivers optimal performance no matter what traffic comes your way. If you're looking to get started, check out AWS's step-by-step guides on setting up ELB and auto-scaling, and take control of your application scalability today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.